Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray clashes is that, viewers, as I told you in the previous video, the news agencies is claiming that two divisions of Eritrean troops 16th and 57th have gone from Tigray region. But there was no clear statement from any side about this. But today, it is claimed by Tigray People Liberation Front that hundreds of Eritrean troops have been deployed in the Abiy Adi Tigray region on 2nd June. Means that more hundreds of Eritrean troops have been deployed in the Tigray region. So there is no clear statement from any side that the Eritrean soldiers are leaving the Tigray region. Suppose if two divisions of Eritrean troops are withdrawing from Tigray, then what about the rest of the Eritrean troops divisions? It is said that the divisions of more than 10 Eritrean soldiers is present in Tigray region. So here's what's said about the divisions of Eritrean soldiers leaving their Tigray region. Whereas on the other hand, Tigray supporters and Tigray citizens are also claiming that this statement is false and baseless, that two divisions of Eritrean troops withdrawing from Tigray and Eritrean soldiers are present in the Tigray region. While a clear statement from Tigray People Liberation Front today has emerged that hundreds of Eritrean soldiers have been deployed in the Abiy Adi Tigray region. Either it due to international pressure, it is stated that two divisions of Eritrean troops are leaving Tigray region. But till now, no solid evidence has been given for the Eritrean troops to leave the Tigray region. While Tigray supporters and Tigray civilians claim that no any divisions of Eritrean troops has left the Tigray region. And on the other hand, Tigray People Liberation Front has been claims that hundreds of new Eritrean troops deployed in Tigray region and sent to Abiy Adi Tigray region. So far this is the latest update about Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Thanks for watching.